How to with Electrofix. Removing an iPhone 7 board. Hi everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to remove the board from an iPhone 7. I just want to let you know that we take no responsibility for any damage caused to your phone should you try this at home. And that's it. Thanks for watching. As always, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. And if you're still having trouble, remember you can message us on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. Have a great day.